Hi everyone, this is Med from Educators Technology. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a comic strip using Canva. So the first thing to do is to open Canva and type in something like blank comic strip, and then browse through the options there. There are many templates to choose from. So I'm gonna just pick one here. Let me choose. So next we will see how to customize the comic strip and make it ours. The first thing to do is to add characters. So to add comic characters, just come here to this slide and you can choose one of these characters here. I'm just gonna choose this one here, Command and C, and then come back here and then Command and V. So here it is, and they can add a call out. So I'll just click back on the resource page, choose one of the call outs here. Let me choose this one here, Command C again, and then Command V. And I can make it larger. I can change its color if I want to. Let's make it, all right, let's all change the color of all of these ones and make them all, for instance, white. Okay, so you get it right now. And then I can add text. Okay, so put something like hi. I can make the text bigger, bolder. Just move it inside the callout. And I can do the same with the other pane. So if I want to add a page, I just click here, add, and then I can choose from here. So come back here to the template and choose any of the templates you want to use here. Let's say I want to use this one in this second page. So I'm gonna click on it and choose this one. Again, the same thing. You can delete characters if you want. You can move them around, move the callouts. You know, you can do anything. You can even delete the whole section. Just select the whole thing. Okay, I think I should select this one and then delete it. Or let's see if I can get this one. All right, yeah, so you can delete it. You can move the whole section, for instance, to the center, and then you can again add, move around, and come back here to the elements, and you can insert like graphics, stickers, anything you want. Just type it in here and add your elements. And when you're done, you can just come here on share and you can download it, or you can share it as a link so that people can see online. You can present it live, and there are many sharing options. I think you get the hang of it for now. All right, thank you very much for watching.